Does your car shudder when you stop at a red light? Is it burning more gas than usual? Or maybe you feel a strange hesitation when the transmission shifts gears. And then, it happens. That dreaded orange light pops up on your dash. Check engine. Before you rush to the dealership, and before a mechanic charges you $150 just for a diagnosis to tell you that you need new sensors, stop. In 90% of cases, your engine parts are actually fine. Nothing is broken. The real problem is that your car's computer, the ECU's confused. It's running on old corrupted data or low voltage history. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 most powerful factory reset tricks for your car systems. You can do these yourself in your driveway completely for free, and you will feel the difference immediately. The last secret in this video is the one mechanics hate sharing. Let's start with number 1. Have you ever stepped on the gas, but the car hesitates for a second before it actually goes? That annoying lag happens because your throttle position sensor has lost its sync with the computer. Here is the fix in 60 seconds. Sit in the car, put the key in the ignition, and turn it to the on position so the dashboard lights up, but do not start the engine. If you have a push-to start button, just press the start button twice without touching the brake pedal. Now, slowly press the gas pedal all the way to the floor. Wait 2 seconds, then release the pedal just as slowly until it's all the way up. Now, turn the key off, or press the start button to turn it off. This simple move recalibrates the throttle range. You will feel a crisp, instant response the next time you drive. Number 2. The rough idle reset. If you stop at a traffic light and the engine shakes like it's about to stall, or the RPM needle is bouncing up and down, the computer has forgotten the correct airflow values for idling. To fix this, follow these steps exactly. Start the car and make sure everything is off. No AC, no radio, no lights. Let the engine idle for 1 minute until it settles. Now, turn the AC on max, turn on your high beams, and blast the radio. Turn on every electrical load possible and let it run like that for 2 minutes. After that, turn everything off and let it run for 2 more minutes. We just forced the ECU to learn how to stabilize the engine under maximum load. Your idle should be smooth as silk now. Number 3. The transmission reset. If your automatic transmission feels sluggish or clunks into gear, don't pay for a rebuild yet. Try this adaptive memory reset. Again, turn the car to the on position or press the start button twice without starting the engine. Press the gas pedal all the way to the floor, past the kickdown point if you have one, and hold it there for 30 seconds. Do not let go. After 30 seconds, while still holding the pedal down, turn the car off. Then, slowly release the pedal. Do not open the door. Do not leave the car. Just sit there and wait for 2 minutes while the system powers down. This wipes the lazy driving habits stored in the transmission computer and restores it to factory shifting settings. Number 4. The stuck window fix. Has your automatic window ever rolled up, hit the top, and then immediately bounced back down? Or the auto features stopped working? The calibration is easy. Roll the window all the way up and hold the switch in the up position for 5 seconds after it closes. Then, roll it all the way down and hold the switch in the down position for 5 seconds after it opens. That's it. You just recalibrated the pinch protection system. And finally, number 5. The ECU hard reset. This is the big one. We use this if the car feels heavy, sluggish, or has a stubborn check engine light that won't go away. This is a total brain wipe for the car. Pop the hood. Disconnect the negative battery cable first, then the positive cable. Now, pay attention. Do not touch the battery terminals. Instead, take the 2 cable ends you just disconnected and touch them together. Hold them touching for 30 seconds. Touching the cables drains the residual electricity stored in the car's capacitors. It wipes the temporary memory completely. Reconnect the positive cable first, then the negative, and tighten them down. Start the car and let it idle for 10 minutes without touching anything. Let the computer rebuild its fuel maps from scratch. You will notice the car runs smoother. Throttle response is snappy, and it might even save you gas. Remember, these tricks fix software glitches, which are more common than hardware failures. Try them out and comment below. What car do you drive, and did you feel the difference? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more pro automotive secrets. Drive safe.